Hi, today I will show you how to install HySpell for Microsoft Word and how to fix a very common installation issue on Windows. First, to install HySpell, which if you are not aware is a spell checker for Armenian in Microsoft Word. How to install HySpell. You should go to 90.com as seen right here, and you can switch it to English if you'd like, or any of these languages, and you can use this as is like this. But if you want to use it in Microsoft Office or Microsoft Word specifically, you should click this here, free Armenian spell checker, get HySpell now. Let's click it, and now it's available for all of these different softwares, but you can install for Word or Outlook separately, but let's just install for all of Microsoft Office. Let's download it and follow this installation, but I'll show you how to install it right now. You should click this link and you'll have a file downloaded which is called HySpell installer, and you should click on this to install. You should click install again. And now we have the HySpell Setup and Diagnostics app on our device. To start, let's follow in order just how the setup is meant to be installed. Let's install the required files and dictionaries. Click yes here. And that's it. Now let's install the customization components. Accept the terms. And here we see this error, which has happened on every Windows device that I've installed HySpell on. Now, how can we fix this issue? There's no way around this issue, because if you click OK, it will just continue giving you the same error. If you cancel, then you cannot install HySpell at all. So let's go to this directory that it's talking about. Go to this directory for more information. Let's do that. If we scroll down, we see that Setup has detected that the file vstore40 has changed since it was initially published. If you go into this file, we see there's no file. Maybe the setup forgot to install that file. But if we scroll a little bit higher up, we see that this file here was supposed to be downloaded from this website right here, this Microsoft website. So let's copy this website and install it ourselves. There we go. This is the file here that we just downloaded. Let's cut this file and place it in its specific location inside of this file here, inside this folder, and let's install it. Click yes. And this is not a virus, this is an official Microsoft file meant specifically for Microsoft Office. You can read this, it's very short. Install. You do not need these tabs anymore. Let's wait for this to install. And it has now been installed. Let's finish the installation. And now HySpell asks us to install. Let's install again. Microsoft Office customization has been installed. but not for Microsoft Word. So let's install again. HySpell has been installed for Microsoft Office, and now it will install for Microsoft Word. And now we can see that the setup has now been completed and has been installed on our computer. You can also install the extended keyboards, but you can do that directly through Microsoft, which is not a very hard thing to look up. And let's test and make sure HySpell is installed. Open up Microsoft Word, go to Review, and now we can see that HySpell is installed. I personally use the Armenian Eastern Legacy keyboard for Western Armenian. Let's make some spelling errors. Okay, and highlight, click HySpell, Armenian spelling. Now we can see that everything has now been correctly auto-corrected. And you can change this to classical, Tasagan ughakrutyun, nor ughakrutyun. Let's do classical. And everything is now correctly spelled.